Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through another new feature that Squarespace announced in Refresh 2024. And this is called Layout Switcher. And what it lets you do is really quickly see other layout options that you might use in a section. So you build your section and you're like, maybe I want to try something else out. It's built into Squarespace now. You just hit the Layout Switcher and it will give you some other options. So let me show you how it works. I am here in Squarespace's Forma template. So this is a free template that you can start with on Squarespace. And if I click edit, we can take a look here at this first section and you'll notice that view layouts is grayed out because there are too many blocks here for it to handle. This has got some lines, a scrolling block, a button, different text blocks and image blocks. View layouts right now is in beta, so it's not going to work if you have a ton of blocks in your section. I'm not going to give you a number because that will probably change in the future. But just know if it's grayed out, it's because you have too many blocks in your section. So I want to show you how it works. So let's scroll down to this next section. And before I click view layouts, I'm actually going to duplicate this section and play around with it here because I found it a little hard to get back to where I started sometimes. So just in case, I'm going to duplicate the section before I hit view layouts. And you'll see it's going to give me a lot of different layout options for this section. So this is a really nice tidy one, this one as well, stacked in the middle, centered image with text to the left, and then all the way down to a lot of them have these scrolling text bars as well. And it's a lot of fun, just some different options for you. Right now, I would say that it's important to keep in mind that there is just an algorithm giving you different layout options. The algorithm does not understand the hierarchy of information on your site. It does not necessarily have a design eye. So as you're using it, just keep in mind the overall goals of your website and the overall look and feel and make sure that you're still adhering to that. But it is pretty fun. And I would love to hear in the comments if you try it out what your thoughts are. If you found this helpful, please hit like or leave a comment as that helps my videos show up for other folks. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.